What do you make of the argument? You heard this guy from the Mercatus Institute, Kevin Erdman, that is saying that actually, to some extent, Fannie and Freddie are too conservative. They are lending too little. And as a result, they're creating a housing crisis and the house
Well,
affordability
see,
and all this stuff.
that's precisely what I mean. Is that with them in government conservatorship, they can fall victim to exactly that line of argument that it's Fannie and Freddie's fault. All they need to do is lower their credit standards, and there's no independent check on the need for those loans to be profitable and to be creditworthy, because the government can tell them what to do. And I don't like that. I don't know if it's true or not that Fannie and Freddie standards are too strict. I would suspect not. I would suspect that this is exactly the push because the private label market never came back after the financial crisis because investors just won't trust Wall Street firms and won't trust subprime lenders. And so that market has still been done 17 years later. And so now people who want the subprime market to come back are trying to push Fannie and Freddie to take those credits. Do you want them to as a taxpayer? Where is that line between what you might want them to do as a home buyer and what you might want them to do as a taxpayer who's responsible for their losses? Well, a publicly traded company with responsibility to shareholders can at least has a chance of getting that balance right.